this is your first time of tuning in to watch my video, you're highly welcome. And in my channel we talk about a lot of things, especially of recent I've been handling hair ventilating, everything about hair ventilating. This is just a wig cap I made. I have this for sale as well. Okay, I made them myself, and this is going for just 3,500 naira. Okay, so I'm going to be using this to show you guys. I'm just going to turn the other side of it, like the back part, to show you guys how we're going to be doing this. So in this tutorial, what we're learning, we're going to be learning that's hair density, how to achieve different hair density, which has to do with the fullness of the hair. Okay, it has to do with the fullness of the hair. When we talk about hair density, we're talking about the fullness of the hair. So I'm going to be sectioning this into 4 different parts. Okay, so on this side I'll be ventilating, on this side I'll be ventilating one single strands, and I'll be showing you hold on, let me get something and mark it so you guys can. I forgot to talk about my old subscribers. Please, you guys, welcome once again. I forgot to welcome you guys. Welcome once again. I hope you started ventilating, you started making some money for yourself. So I'm just going to zoom this closer, and then let's get really close. Okay guys, I need to ensure. Okay, now everything is focused. I'm just going to make a line just to show you guys, just to section it out so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so I'm going to be doing single strands here, double strands, but I'm going to be ventilating total of maybe 30 hairs. Okay, 30 strands of hairs. So I'm going to be doing single strands, double strands, 3 strands, and then 4 strands, and I'll show you guys what the spacing is like, and this determines how full the hair will be. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be ventilating single strands on this part. Okay, that's one strand, and I'm not going to be leaving any space at all. So let me see if I can bend this a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Oh god, this first one was completely nonsense. Okay. I'm actually ventilating every single hole. Okay guys, right here now we have a total of 20 strands here. I had to make it just 20. Okay, so this is 20 strands. So I'm going to repeat the same 20 strands here, but using I'm going to be leaving a hole to make to take 2 strands on this part. So let's go ahead, but we are doing a total of 20 as well. So I'm just going to position this. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. Okay, so let's get started. At this point we'll be taking 2 strands and leaving a hole in between. Now we have 4, have 6, we have 8, we have 10, right? We have 9, so we have 5 now, which means we have a total of how many? That's 10. Now 12. Now 14, 16, 18, 20. So we have here. Okay guys, so you can see this one is looking a bit more scanty than this other one. So let's go ahead and do this. We'll be picking 3 strands here to get 20. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. We're trying to position this properly, so I'm just going to pull it out a little bit. I think we have 3 here. Okay, 1, I'm leaving 3 spaces in between. 2, I'm using synthetic hair, and at this point please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you're really enjoying this video. Okay, now we have 9, total of 9, right? And then I'm leaving 3 holes, 3 hairs. Okay guys, if you want to ventilate, let's take this one. Is this 3? Yeah, it's 3. Okay guys, so just mind you, mine is looking scattered, but I know what I'm doing. I'm actually leaving 3 spaces in between each one. And now we have 18, and let me just add extra 1, making it 21. So because 3 is not an even number, so you guys can see what's going on here. You can see it's looking more scanty than this and this. And the last one will be taking 4. Okay, I had to flip this over so you guys can understand better what I'm doing, because I don't like following patterns when I'm ventilating, in order for it to look very natural. So for the 4, I'm going to start from here. How many do we have here? We have 4, right? Oh, hold on, I need to be sure we're doing 4. Yeah, that's 4. I'm just going to take 4, total of 4, guys. This is getting really difficult for me to pack. I have 1 4 here. Then you count 1 2 3 4. So we'll be ventilating this 4 right here. Okay, so I have this needle for sale. 1 2 3 4. I have this needle for sale. It's just 1,000 naira 500. 1,500 naira. So we count again. 1 2 3. Okay, let's say 1 2 3 4. Right? Am I right? Yes. We have 3. We add the remaining 1. I prefer to stick to and then let us add 1 in front. 1 2 3 4. Anyone now? Which one's going? Let's take this one. Then we add this other one. Oh, this one is not complete, it's short. Okay, and then hold on, and then we knot. Okay guys, so so we have 20 on each section, but you can see what's going on here. This one is looking way fuller, more dense than this. Okay, but still we are working with 20 strands in all. So what I'm trying to explain to you guys is this: the density of your hair depends on the spacing in between the strands you're ventilating. Okay, so this is the one I do most times, because this cap, for instance, I'm using it to ventilate for someone. So let me just wait a little bit. You can see what's going on here. Oh god, so you guys can see my work. Just trying to show you guys what I'm doing. You can see this is more like I'm using double strands, and you can see there is just about 2 spaces in between. Okay, so coming back to what I was showing you guys, you can see what's going on here. I normally stick with this. when I'm ventilating. I prefer using this for the baby hairs, but I would rather use the single strands but double spacing. And this I prefer to use at the middle, like the middle of the cap. Now when you look at this cap, you can see the middle. I normally make use of this number of strands for the middle and the spacing for the middle. Then the 4, I don't use this, to be very sincere. I rarely use the 4. Okay, I rarely use the 4, only when I'm working with human hair. So when you're working, I'm going to be doing a video on that, how to ventilate synthetic fiber and human hair. There are different methods, and it may even require some products when you're ventilating them, and the number of hairs you pick is also very important. Okay, so I hope you learned something in this class, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and give us a thumbs up to just encourage our ministry, right? So do have a wonderful time. Love you guys. Bye.